Welcome, everyone. Today we're diving into a gentle chair yoga workout that's all about improving mobility and building strength while helping you feel relaxed and centered. This session is perfect for everyone, no matter your experience level. Just grab a sturdy chair without wheels and let's get started. Find a comfortable seat, feet flat on the ground. Sit up tall, rest your hands on your thighs, and close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Breathe in again, feeling your body soften with each exhale. Let's settle into this moment together. Now, let's warm up the neck and shoulders. Inhale, lifting your shoulders toward your ears, and exhale, releasing them down. Repeat this a few times, letting any tension melt away. Now bring your right ear toward your right shoulder for a gentle stretch. Hold for a breath, then return to center and switch sides, lowering your left ear toward your left shoulder. Come back to center and roll your shoulders in slow circles. Forward first, then backward, creating a fluid movement. Place your hands on your knees for a seated cat-cow flow. Inhale, arching your back and lifting your chest. Exhale, rounding your spine and drawing your chin toward your chest. Keep flowing with your breath, waking up your spine. Now lift your right arm overhead and gently lean to the left, stretching through the right side of your body. Keep both sit bones grounded and breathe into the space you're creating. Slowly return to center and switch sides. Lift your left arm and lean softly to the right, then return to center, letting your hands rest on your thighs. Sit tall and prepare for a seated twist. Inhale to lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist gently to the right. Place your left hand on the outside of your right thigh, taking a breath here with relaxed shoulders. Return to center and twist to the left, bringing your right hand across to your left thigh. Come back to center slowly. Now extend your right leg forward, heel on the floor and toes pointed up. Inhale, reaching your arms forward. Exhale as you gently hinge from the hips, folding over your extended leg for a nice stretch. Rise back up with your inhale, switch legs and fold gently over your left leg. Move slowly and breathe into the stretch. With both feet on the floor, sit tall for a gentle strength-building movement. Place your hands on the chair or your thighs. Inhale as you lift slightly off the seat, engaging your legs and core. Exhale as you lower back down. Repeat this movement, rising with the inhale and lowering with the exhale to build stability in your legs and hips. Now let's flow through a seated sun salutation style movement. Inhale, sweeping your arms forward and up overhead. Exhale as your hands come down through center. Inhale again to lift your arms, and exhale, folding gently forward. Inhale to roll back up through the spine, lifting slowly, and exhale to bring your hands to your lap. Let's move through one more round, allowing the sequence to feel soft and natural. Rest your hands on your thighs, close your eyes, or soften your gaze once more. Take a slow inhale, seteo, and a gentle exhale. Feel your body grounded, your breath steady, and your mind calm. Notice the openness and ease that has grown throughout our practice. Thank you for joining this gentle chair yoga workout today. Remember, this practice is here for you anytime you need movement or relaxation. Take one more deep breath in and release. Wishing you a peaceful and healthy day.